Hi friends, welcome to Tech Blog. Today we are going to configure MySQL database connection with your Laravel application. In continuation of Laravel tutorial series, we had installed Laravel with Apache web server in previous video. Before going to database connection, I would like to focus on some Apache directives which I used in previous video. Let's look on your project URL. If you want to access random routes like XYZ or anything which you're trying to access that does not register inside your project, you will get this error message. So we are gonna change allow override directives none to all because we have htaccess file in our project directory to take over the security responsibility without affecting other vhost configuration. Change and save the configuration. After that, you need to restart Apache service. Now get back to the browser and reload the routes again. See, now it shows 404 page not found from your application. This looks pretty good right now. Now come to the point. You need a database application in order to connect your Laravel project. So I am gonna install MySQL server in my system. Go ahead and type sudo apt install mysql-server and then hit enter key. This will take a while to install. After installation completed, check the MySQL service running or not by using service MySQL status. Yeah, it's running. If you found it's not running, then start the service. Now run the MySQL secure installation script to improve security of your database and remove unwanted database and users that comes with by default. Here I am gonna choose the medium strength password and set the password and then re-enter the password again. Accept it and follow the question. Now move into MySQL database and create database for your application. Let me show you the existing database list. Use the command show databases and then colon and then hit enter key. Here you can see few system database. Now create a database for your application. Go ahead and type create database, then your database name and hit enter key. Let's see again. Here it is. Now create a user for your application. Use the following command: create user, your username @localhost identified by your password, and make sure to change the username and password as per yours. Now grant all privileges to your user. After that, flash the privilege. Now exit from MySQL prompt by typing exit command. Move to your application directory. Here we're gonna create a basic authentication functionality like login and registered user to show the database connectivity. For that, we required UI library. Just type composer require laravel/ui. Now install auth functionality to your application. Use the command php artisan ui vue --auth. Here I am using Vue.js framework for front end, so you can choose Angular, React also. You can see that authentication scaffolding generated. Also, you need to run the npm install and run npm dev in order to make it fully functional. We'll do this later on. First, connect your database with your application. So in order to do this, open your application directory with any code editor. I am using Visual Studio Code Editor. You can check out this video how to install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu above here. Open your application directory inside code editor and then edit .env file inside your application. Find the DB connection section and put your database name, username and credential and then save the file. Get back to the terminal and try to migrate the tables which we created at the time of creating auth functionalities. Oh, we was not installed PHP MySQL module at the time of installing PHP. So you need to install PHP MySQL module first. Go ahead and type sudo apt install php mysql and hit enter key. Now restart the Apache. Try again to migrate the tables to database. Use command php artisan migrate. Yes, it started. You can see inside MySQL database, just open MySQL prompt, open up your database and then show tables. Here you can see database schema successfully migrated. Now you can see the reflection on your application. Get back to the browser and reload the page, and here it is. Login and registered functionality added to your application. You can see that the registration page is a bit ugly still because we didn't download the dependencies using npm. So now we need to install npm package manager first. Go ahead and type sudo apt install npm. It will take a while to complete the installation. npm stands for Node Package Manager. It puts modules in place so that Node can find them and manages dependency conflicts intelligently. Now it's time to install dependencies for auth functionalities which we created earlier. Just go ahead and type npm install. It will install all required dependencies script automatically. After that, use npm run dev command to compile all JS and CSS file for your application. Now get back to the browser and reload the page, and here you can see the difference. It is well decorated after installing all JS and CSS dependencies. Well, now you can able to register yourself inside your new application. Just fill this form and click on register button. You can see the routes directory, open up web routes and auth routes registered automatically. Also, you can check through native MySQL prompt that your registration data stored successfully. So we made that database connectivity for our application. Hope this video helpful to you. Please like, share this video. Leave comment if you have any question. Also click on subscribe button to encourage us and get latest update. Thank you.